a business trip and I've just checked into my hotel, St. Giles. So let me take you for a quick room tour. So as you enter, this is how the room looks like. So you've got your kettle and coffee and tea sachets over here. Then you've also got a place to store luggage, so that's mine. And a safe, which I won't be using because I'm gonna take all of my belongings with me. And then I've got twin beds because I'm sharing a room with my colleague. And then you also have a nice work desk and also a place to sit for the view if you want to. And this is the view of Johor from the room. So you can actually see Singapore from the room. I believe that's Singapore right there, but I might be wrong, but I think it is. So this is just how the room looks like as a whole. So let's bring you guys to the toilet. There's also a fridge right there if you want to keep anything cold. So this is the toilet, and you've got a very nice and big vanity mirror right here. And you have all of your toilet amenities here, like your toothbrush, cotton buds. And this is the shower area. And you have your body wash and shampoo right there. And that's it for the room tour. So I forgot to mention earlier that the work table that's inside at the side of the room also doubles up as a vanity mirror. So you have the light switch, which helps when you're doing makeup. And so we are going to head to the pool now. Let's have a look. Gosh. So the pool is on the 28th floor and I'm actually staying on the 11th floor. Hello. So they also have these lounge chairs for you to lounge at. But yeah, really good. I like it. Let's head to the gym to have a look. So this is the gym. It's small but sufficient. Alright, let's head back to the room. So I'm gonna get some rest before dinner tonight. A water dispenser station here, and I'm just filling up my kettle and I'm gonna boil the water after that. There we go. So they also have like a glass bottle where you can pour the hot water into for it to cool down. But I always rinse mine first, you know, in the toilet with water before I use it, just in case.